Hello handbag lovers, I am here with a Coach unboxing, 3 unbaggings if you will. I would also like to share with you how I use my Coach Academy pouch, as well as a comparison between the Dooney and Bourke phone wristlet and the Coach Tech wristlet or wallet. And then also just a comparison between the Coach passport case and my Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. So if you're interested in seeing all that, please keep on watching. So thank you all for joining. I'll go ahead and get started. And I first would like to let all my subscribers know that I appreciate you very much. So thank you for joining. All my new subscribers, I hope you continue to join us. And then if you haven't subscribed, please do so if you like these types of videos. So let's get started with the first Coach reveal / unbagging here. Okay, so this first item is a Coach bag charm. And if you saw my prior videos, I have become an avid bag charm collector almost unintentionally. It didn't start out that way. So let me share with you the latest, and hopefully I can get all this packaging off relatively quickly here. But this is the Coach Perforated bag charm, and you can see they have it wrapped really nicely to keep it from getting scratched, which I appreciate. However, it can be kind of difficult to get these off in a hurry, so bear with me here while I try to take these off without ruining them. Alright, so here we go. So this is the Coach Perforated bag charm. You can see it has the Coach letters with silver and gold, and it's in gold hardware. This is style number 91474. How cute is this? Has the dog hook and then the ring as well. And it has the Coach hang tag, and it'll be very cute for my collection. So moving right along here, the second item that I'd like to share is the Coach passport case. I purchased this because I was looking for something with a little bit of color to carry my cards in my purse. And I was almost comparing this to the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer that I'd shared on my channel previously. However, as you can see, or as you may or may not recall, this is a lot bigger than the Louis Vuitton pocket organizer, so maybe there is no comparison here. And I did bring this, so looks like this is a little wonky. So this is the passport case, and it's the style number C4548, and I believe it's in the color fuchsia, but I will post that. And like I said, I was really looking for something to hold my cards and other information that I can just slide down into my purse. It's made of cross-grain leather. You can see it has the Coach imprint, and it is, the size of it is 4¼ inches in length, 5½ inches in height, and 3/4 inch in width. It has 3 credit card slots, as well as inside open pockets for information. So certainly, probably, obviously for a passport, but I was thinking it was somewhat smaller, obviously, because I wanted to kind of use it like I use my Louis Vuitton pocket organizer, but you can see this is significantly larger. So I'll definitely be able to fit a lot in this for my purposes. Okay, so moving on to the next item. This is something I've already opened the bag on. And let me share this. There probably is a lot easier way to open this up. So this is the Coach Tech phone wallet, and it is in the color granite. And you've probably seen a previous video where I saw or demonstrated which phones fit in the Dooney and Bourke phone wristlet. So I was interested in seeing if this one fits more. But let me give you a quick overview of this one. So it is made of cross-grain leather. On the inside, it has 6 credit card slots as well as the ID window. It has a snap phone compartment. In the inside, it's like a burgundy color. It has a snap for the phone. And it also has a snap closure on the outside as well. You can see it has a wristlet strap, and the wristlet strap is not detachable. So it's an attached wristlet strap. Has a silver hardware and a zipper compartment as well. And this is 7¼ inches in length, 4½ inches in height. And it said it fits all of the iPhones and Samsung Galaxy phones. So I just have a couple here. So I have my iPhone 7 Plus, and that does fit fine. And then I just have a case for the iPhone 12X Max Pro, I think it's called, and that fits as well. I don't have any Galaxy users in my household. But then also I have my old iPhone 6S, and that fits as well. So I'm thinking it might fit most phones, but just from the review of those few, it does seem to fit. So this seems like a nice little accessory to carry your cards, phone, just really definitely a grab and go piece. And just in comparison to the Dooney and Bourke phone wristlet, which I've done a video on before, you can see it's slightly taller. Dooney looks a little bit thicker. But overall, it looks like the Coach is just a little bit taller and wider. So a little bit taller and a little bit wider. And it also seems to have a better fit for your phone. So here's an option for a phone case if you're interested. Then the next item I'm going to share is, get right in here. This is another Mickey piece, Disney Coach collaboration piece, as you can see. Cute. So as you can see, this is the Disney Keith Haring print Academy pouch from Coach and their collaboration with Mickey Mouse and Keith Haring. You've seen I've had a lot of these items on my channel. You can see it's engraved with the Coach New York. Comes in with a sprayed or knotted leather zipper pull. It's in the gold hardware. And the Academy pouch is red on the inside. It has the Coach story patch in black on the back. It has 2 slip pockets on the inside. And the slip pockets are collared in leather. And that's all the organization on the inside. You can see the genuine glove tanned leather imprinted on the outside. It also has a zipper on the front, just an extra pocket there, also lined in that red, which is really nice. The fabric lining that says Coach, so very cute. It does have a detachable leather wristlet strap. It has the Coach hang tag, and it is in the gold hardware. So this is the Coach Disney Mickey Mouse Keith Haring Academy pouch. It is style number 5220. And this is my second Academy pouch. And I love these pouches, and I generally use these for my tech items, my cords and things of that nature, which is very helpful, especially when I travel. So I have another one to show you. I got this one last year from Coach. As you can see, it says love on the front. How cute is this? And I do have this one filled up with some tech items. For me, when I travel, if I have all of my cords and headphones and everything in one bag, it's easy for me to put my hands on them. So in this front pocket, I just have my earbuds, and I also have just extra storage for my laptop. And this one feels a little thicker than the other one. This black leather seems thicker than the Keith Haring one. I'm not sure what that's all about. But it also has that front pocket, and it has the top zip. It has, I think this is the gunmetal hardware with the leather strap. And it also has the Coach hang tag. And then I won't bore you with all the details, but as you can see, I have all my tech items in here. So I have my phone charger, computer charger, extra battery charger for my phone. I also have my Nook charger. I have the little accessories to use on my computer and my camera as needed. So everything as far as tech is in one place. It just makes it easier for me to just dump it in here, and I always know where it is, so I don't have to go around looking for it. So these are the Coach Academy pouches, and this pouch, I don't think it's still available. I don't know if the Academy pouches are still available, but I could tell you they are very practical and very useful. Okay, so that ends the unboxing and the comparison. Sorry about that wiggling there. Then just one last thing in this bag. I don't know, a while ago Coach had some sale where if you spend a certain amount, I think, you get a free belt. I didn't even get to choose the size, so I don't know if this is going to fit me, my husband, or whoever, but just an extra added item in there. So, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you joining me. Appreciate all your engagement and your feedback. If you like these types of videos, please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a great evening.